discover Dublin's magic. Join us as we uncover the city's top 10 gems. From majestic castles and lively pubs to awe-inspiring cathedrals and peaceful parks, Dublin awaits you. Nestled in the heart of Dublin, Dublin Castle has silently observed over 8 centuries of Irish history. Originally built by King John in the 13th century, it once symbolised British rule in Ireland. Today, it stands as a testament to Ireland's rich and tumultuous past. Stroll through its majestic halls and courtyards, envisioning the paths of kings and revolutionaries. The castle's history is vividly narrated through its architecture, from medieval walls to the lavish state apartments. Each room echoes with stories of power and intrigue. Visiting Dublin Castle is like stepping into the very essence of Ireland's history. Rising majestically above Dublin's vibrant streets, St. Patrick's Cathedral stands as a beacon of faith and architectural splendour. Step inside and marvel at the soaring arches and intricate stained glass windows. Legend says St. Patrick himself baptized converts at a well on this very site. Take a moment to admire the ornate choir stalls and the grand organ. This iconic landmark will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Step into the vibrant heart of Dublin, where cobblestone streets resonate with music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses. Temple Bar, with its colourful buildings, traditional pubs, and lively atmosphere, is the city's cultural heartbeat. It's where locals and visitors alike gather to soak up the crack, enjoy live music, and experience the true spirit of Dublin. It's a place where memories are made, friendships are forged, and the essence of Dublin comes alive. No trip to Dublin is complete without visiting the Guinness Storehouse, a 7-story temple dedicated to Ireland's iconic stout. Here, you'll embark on a journey through the history, brewing process, and cultural significance of Guinness. From the moment you step into the building, shaped like a giant pint glass, you'll be immersed in the world of Guinness. The highlight of the tour is the Gravity Bar, offering panoramic views of Dublin while you savour a complimentary pint of freshly poured Guinness. Kilmainham Gaol stands as a powerful testament to Ireland's turbulent past and its relentless quest for independence. This former prison, now a museum, once detained some of Ireland's most notable political figures and revolutionaries. Walking through its cold, austere cells, you'll feel the weight of history and the sacrifices made by those who fought for Ireland's freedom. A guided tour through Kilmainham Gaol is a moving and thought-provoking experience. Step away from the city's commotion and enter the serene sanctuary of Phoenix Park, one of Europe's largest enclosed urban parks. This verdant retreat offers a perfect escape to reconnect with nature. The park is home to diverse flora and fauna, from ancient oak trees to herds of fallow deer. Explore trails, rent a boat, or relax and soak up the peaceful ambience. Be sure to spot the resident fallow deer, adding a touch of magic to your visit. Rising dramatically from the heart of O'Connell Street, the Spire, officially known as the Monument of Light, is a striking emblem of Dublin's modern spirit. This towering stainless steel needle, soaring 120 meters high, symbolizes hope and progress, marking the city's resurgence in the 21st century. Its polished surface mirrors the changing sky, creating a captivating dance of light and shadow throughout the day. Step into the revered halls of Trinity College Library, home to the breathtaking Long Room. Visiting Trinity College Library is a journey through the annals of human history and intellect. This magnificent space, lined with towering oak bookcases and adorned with marble busts of great thinkers, is a testament to the enduring power of knowledge. The library's vast collection includes over 200,000 rare and ancient books, manuscripts, and maps. Visiting Trinity College Library is a journey through the rich tapestry of human history and intellect. Uncover Ireland's rich history at the National Museum of Ireland, a treasure trove of artifacts and exhibits. From prehistoric relics to Viking treasures, the museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the events that have shaped the nation. The museum is divided into 4 branches, each focusing on a different aspect of Irish history. Explore the archaeology branch to uncover the mysteries of Ireland's ancient past. The museum is a testament to the creativity and spirit of the Irish people. No visit to Dublin is complete without a stroll across the Halfpenny Bridge, one of the city's most iconic landmarks. This charming pedestrian bridge, spanning the River Liffey, has been a symbol of Dublin for over 2 centuries, connecting the north and south sides of the city. The bridge's elegant wide arches and intricate ironwork make it a photographer's dream. As you stroll across its wooden planks, you'll feel the gentle sway of the bridge and hear the rhythmic lapping of the Liffey below. Pause at the center of the bridge and take in the panoramic views of the city. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Dublin's top attractions. From the historic splendor of Dublin Castle to the vibrant energy of Temple Bar, we've delved into the heart of this enchanting city. We hope this visual journey has inspired you to experience Dublin's magic firsthand. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, may your travels be filled with adventure and discovery.